The 2024 Shelby F150 is a dynamic powerhouse designed for versatility in any scenario. With its revamped appearance and 785 horsepower supercharger system, it offers remarkable adaptability and strength, whether cruising through city streets or conquering rugged off-road trails. Its upgraded suspension system and Borla-tuned cat-back exhaust ensure a smooth and commanding ride while maintaining potent performance capabilities. This latest iteration of the Shelby F150 continues its legacy of unmatched capability and style. Perfect for daily driving with its refined presence on urban roads, its luxurious features including custom leather interiors and carbon fiber trim transform it into a sophisticated haven for a night out. Meanwhile, exclusive details like belay racing pedals and serialized console plaques speak to its exclusivity and refinement. For adventurers, the Shelby F150 is equipped for overlanding and off-road excursions, boasting features like 35-inch all-terrain tires, a 3-inch lift system, and power running boards with rock guard trim. Limited to just 800 units for 2024 model year. This truck combines power, luxury, and versatility in a statement-making machine. For more info, come see me, Martin Nolasco, at Donnelly Ford.